Hello my chickens, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Michael, I am a Australian beauty guru. And today, I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of weird products that I bought on the Wish app. Now, for those who don't know, Wish is like this store where you can just get the most random shit from, and it's literally like $2. This video is not sponsored, by the way, just putting it out there. So I basically went onto the Wish app and just bought so much shit just to test it out in the video because there is a lot of weird shit on there, like weird shit. I'm like, the fuck is that, sis? Okay, so without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So this is the first thing we have. Now this is meant to be a face, neck, stretch, massage roller, lift up, V-line, chin, wrinkle, cellulite remover. That's a mouthful. What the fuck is this shit? Looks like one of those things that they, when they're like getting a baby out, when they do that thing and they go, So let's actually see how you're meant to use this, darling. Let's read the reviews on this. Is there any? Gently massage on both sides of cheek. Single-handed operation can be used for neck massage. I don't really think that's doing much. Let's try it on the cheeks. Oh my god, that's like fucking up my makeup. That's rude. To be honest, I don't even think this was literally $2. Like, what is it doing? My double chin is literally still fucking here and I'm not happy about it. Maybe if I just sit here and go like this. Look at that chin. Look at that. It still looks the same. Boring. What is the next thing we have, darling? We have a... Jesus fucking Christ almighty. What is this? This looks like one of those sex toys that you put on your mouth and then a dick goes straight into your fucking mouth, eh? Functional silicone rubber face, facial slimmer exercise mouthpiece, anti-wrinkle. Now, I paid... Oh, this was free. This was free and I only paid for the shipping. Fancy that. So what this is meant to do is it's meant to bring your smile upwards. So let's say I'm looking like this. It's meant to bring it up like that. So let's pop her in. Okay, so what I'm going to do, here's the description. Oh, Julie, I don't even know, it's making me gag. It's like an eyes water, and it's not even a dick. I think what you have to do is this. And it's meant to ring your smile up and exercise the side arms. God, I actually look kind of cute. Ugh. Well, that is an absolute waste of time if I do say so myself. Oh. Now this one actually might work. I remember when I was in a beauty course and my beauty teacher had one of these. So what this is meant to do, it's a portable massager neckline slimmer. So this is meant to get rid of your double chin. Oh no, I'm doing it wrong. I was doing it wrong. So you put it here like this, place it there, and you're meant to go like that. Now, I don't know how the fuck it's meant to get rid of your double chin, sis. There's springs in this stuff and everything. Let's look at the reviews. Someone's written, Patricia says, it looks good and is comfortable. My husband asked me today what I'm doing because my double chin is disappearing. I'm very happy that I got this item. Well, in that case, Patricia, I just really don't understand how that's gonna get rid of a double chin. I mean, like me, being me, I would just get lipo or Kybella. But I don't want to be swollen for weeks or have surgery, so looks like this is gonna be my resolution. I guess if you were to use this every day, I don't really see what it's working out though. It's just pressing against the skin. All right, so the next thing we're gonna be trying out is, oh, we have another one of these. It's a pink one. Oh, look, that's me done with those things. The next thing we have, ooh, slim mouthpiece. So this is meant to make your mouth look a little bit slimmer. I don't really understand. Oh, I get it. It's meant to extend. It's meant to make your mouth go more like this. Oh, like that. This was $2, reduced from $57. Honestly, that's a load of shit. I think it's actually illegal to make a recommended retail price like that high and then bring it down this much when it's not actually worth that much. I don't know, who knows, but these are sold out, so they must be good. So what we're doing is Oh yeah. Oh, that fucking hurts. No. Oh, next up we have a gold grill. This could be fun. Okay, how is this meant to work? Oh, they're meant to go on the bottom. My bad. Does this look believable? That had a weird taste to it. Oh, I mean... No. Let's move on. Right, next we're going to be trying out these more fake teeth. But this was free, and I only paid $3 for shipping, which is absolutely fantastic. We have a top set and a bottom set. Wait, do we? No, we only have a top set. Let's pop them on. That made me gag. Fucking hell, I really hate shit that goes into my mouth and makes me gag, unless it's a dick or food. I don't know why that's making me gag, but it's making my eyes water. Nah, I can't. Now, this next little contraption, this is meant to make your nose slimmer, which is exactly what I need because I do need to get a nose job, L1. So this is meant to go up. Okay. So I guess if you sleep with this on, it would make your nose a little bit smaller. The reviews are, Jimmy said, I love it so much. So soft, fits very well. Color is wonderful. This actually really fucking hurts. It's not comfortable whatsoever. Ah! Oh my god, that was the most uncomfortable thing I think I've ever put on my literal actual face in the whole entire world. Wow. Thanks for fucking up my nose. Oh my god. Okay, so this next contraption, this is meant to be a lady's threading face hair remover, like an epilator tool. Oh my god, that is actually sick. You know how they do threading of the brows and they get 2 bits of string, one in their mouth? I think it's so unhygienic. I don't like the thought of threading at all. Like when someone else is doing it, it's kind of just unhygienic and like, ugh. This is a little contraption. I guess I could try and... Ow! Oh my god, it works! Ah! Fuck! That literally just went to pull out some of my beard that's up here. Fucked up my makeup yet again! Thanks, Ben! Fuck me. I mean, what else do I expect? I'm putting shit all over my face and not expecting my makeup to come off. Think again, you suck of shit. This is actually good. This would work. Like, if you're a woman, or if you're a man that wants to get some rid of your facial hair, this is really fucking good. And I guess you could use it on your brows as well, but you might have to get help from somebody else doing it. That absolutely works. That is pretty cool. I'm actually going to keep this. Not that I'd use it. I always get my brows done, but that's pretty cool. Now, this next thing is a lot to look at. This was $9. Now, this is an anti-wrinkle, ultra-thin scalp, chin cheek lifting, slimming mask, facial slimmer, sleeping mask. So this was $9 and it's meant to make your face slimmer. Now, I'm a little nervous to put this on because I'm going to look like someone from Slipknot, but we're going to give it a go. Now, if I think everything else has fucked up my makeup, I think this is going to be the thing that fucks up my makeup the most. Okay, I think I get it. Righto, so I don't think this is going to fit around my head. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, we got it. Right, and then this goes, it's got Velcro on the back, and then it's got a bit of Velcro that goes, oh fuck, where's the bit of Velcro? Okay, I look like that thing from Ice Age. Okay, you guys, I don't know. Alright, so this is meant to be a facial slimmer. Let's read the reviews on this. So Juliet says, seems to hold and tighten my skin. Okay, interesting. Maybe it does. It's a lot of pressure on your face. That's absolutely for sure. But I'm just going to take this off now because... Wow! A stippling brush is like the biggest savior. It just like fixes everything. Okay, my hair's an absolute shit show. Not that it wasn't before that I started this video, but hey. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video or enjoyed me trying out some stuff from Wish, if you want to see another one, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! Fucking see ya! Hello!